I'm back at this job today to sand the drive that we pressure washed. You can see come out fairly good actually, come out alright. So what we're going to do is we're sanding this with a kiln dry sand. You don't use builder sand, sharp sand because it's wet. What you want is kiln dry. You can get that from Wicks, Selco. As long as it's dry, you shouldn't have a problem. But as you can see, it's just so soft and it's fully dry, and that's the main important thing, that it's dry. As you can see, it just falls in the joints effortlessly, and you just brush this around with a brush like this. I'm going to be doing this one-handed, so you're going to have to bear with me. And you just keep brushing it around to fill up all them joints. As you can see, it's all in there. And once it's done, you can use a fine broom to sweep off the excess from the surface, but what we tend to use is a leaf blower. Again, you don't blast this so it blasts out the joints and all the sand. You're only just skimming over the top just to take the top layer off, and so it doesn't leave any of this like this on the top layer, so it just gets rid of that. And then once that's done, that's where you can apply a sealer to say, or it can just be left as it is. But because this is on quite a steep radius, what I'll do once I've done all that is I'll give it a slight little mist over with some water. Nothing drastic, but just to hold the joints in for now, the sand. So if it does rain, it ain't gonna wash it all out straight away. It's had time to bed in and everything else, but it's supposed to be dry for a couple of days. So this is what we're looking at with it all done. See, there is some little wet areas, but again they should be fine. It's not so much the joints. As you can see. So what I'll do is I'll put you on a quick montage, and then once I've sanded it all, I'll get back to you guys. So speak to you soon. gets it all brushed in and blown, as you can see. You know, the joints, when you blow it, you don't blow the joints, you're just literally misting over the top. So it just gets rid of the top layer surface. So if you look here, zoom you in a bit, so if you look there, it's not took it out of the joint, but it's took it off the top layer. So that's what ideally what you're looking for. Then once it's like this, then this would be ideal to be ready to be sealed, but this customer doesn't want it sealed, they just want it cleaned and sand. So that's what we've done. So let's pan you around so you can have a good look. We've got some leftover sand here, so what we'll do with that is we'll rebag that up in the bag it come in, keep it dry and use it for another day. So around the drains, covers are done, but yeah, it come out pretty smart. So that's you there. Right, that's all done here now. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and also let us know what you think of the new camera setup, because we had a bit of problem with our GoPro. So yeah, I'll catch you all soon.
Brother, was caught in the crossfire. Was caught in the crossfire.